little Skit. Let's get on with the video. Today we are going to be making slime, as you can see. Now we have our sticks, our glue, and our borax. Now, the borax we use for the activator and the sticks to mix, and the glue is the main ingredient. Now, we're going to start with one person mixing theirs once at a time, so everyone can get the hang of it. So, Ginger, can you mix yours first? Okay. There, that was good. Now your turn, Rose. Okay. Done with that. One second. Okay, Becky, your turn. Oh, mine dropped. There we go. Good job, Becky. Now your turn, Brianna. Okay. Fantastic job, Brianna. Now I am gonna add some borax to each of yours. Okay, there we go. Now, all you have to do is mix. Mine's forming. Let me try. Mine is too. Okay, my turn. Ooh, it looks cool. And my turn, which I'm probably not going to be able to do. There you go. Good job. Now, I'm going to be mixing them a little better. Where it doesn't stick to the bowl. There's mine. Good job, Ginger. Now, Rose's turn. It's not sticking too much anymore. Let me just do it again. There we go. My turn, my turn. Oh, but mine's not sticking anymore. And my turn. Mine looks really watery. Oh, that's okay. You just gotta keep mixing, yes. See? Okay. Now pour pour yours on the floor. On the floor? Yeah. My bowl's a little messy, but it's okay. Yep, keep the stick on the floor too. Okay. There's mine. There's mine. There's mine. Whoa. Where's mine? Mine's right here. Oh, this one's mine. Mine. Let me try. Now you just put them in your hands and knead them. Ew, it's sticky. Okay, it's okay. Let me try mine. I don't think mine's touchable. Let me go over here. Now it is. It's a lot better now. That's a lot of glue. Oh, there's a finger. Okay, let's get off some. Mine's sticky. There's mine. There, should we mix them all together? Yeah. Oh my gosh, that'd be so cool. Yeah. See, girls, it's fun. Yeah, it is fun. It is, yeah. Okay, let's put this over here. There we go. You're all done, girls. You can leave class. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.